Log into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance and click Themes. If you haven't installed the Multifox theme, then click Add New button. Search for the Multifox. You will be shown up with the Multifox theme and click Install. Once it is installed, then click again to activate it. Next, start installing the plugin and click the notification, Begin installing plugin. Subsequently, you will be shown with Multifox Plus plugin, which is a free plugin from the Multifox theme. Install and activate the Multifox Plus plugin. Now you can return to your dashboard by clicking Return to the dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the WordPress dashboard. You will notice that the Multifox plugin is active now. Then click the Customize from the Appearance menu on the WordPress dashboard. Now you can notice that your WordPress customizer has some additional features. But for more advanced features, you need to upgrade to the Pro version. So exit from your WordPress customizer, and click the Add New from Plugin menu on the WordPress dashboard. Next, click the Upload Plugin button from the top of the page. Select the Choose File option and choose the Multifox Pro plugin file, which you have downloaded initially. Afterward, install and activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you need to enter the valid license key. Select the Click Here button to enter the license key. You can find your license key on the product confirmation page, from where you have downloaded the plugin. Copy and paste the license key. Then save changes and activate the license. Now navigate to the WordPress customizer and you will find that all the premium features are unlocked.